Hey guys, this is Chase from Kontek Industries, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your new Mobile Modular Shoot House. All right, so with the Mobile Modular Shoot House, there's four main components that you'll get when you receive your shoot house. The first one is our 4x7 expanded PVC panel, which you'll see right here. Easy day. Again, these things are light. One guy can lift it, but I always recommend using two for safety. Second thing you're going to get is your vertical leg. Piece of aluminum here that's going to withstand all the elements. Next piece, you got your horizontal connector, which is going to connect into this final piece, our quad connector system. Again, I'll show you how all this goes together soon. Now, to put this thing together, you're going to need a drill. And we'll provide you with the bit. It's a 7/16 bit. We'll provide that with you. You're also going to need some friends, which I'll get those out here shortly. Finally, what kind of holds the entire system together are zip ties. We usually recommend 170-pound zip ties. You can get these in bulk, no problems, off Amazon or wherever you get them. And we'll also provide you with a zip tie tightener, and I'll show you how that goes towards the end of this video. So, step one, you're going to take your horizontal, and you're going to marry it up to your quad connector, make what I call a little lollipop. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to build a corner of this whole system. So I'm going to make essentially two lollipops and connect them all together right here in the corner. And you'll see there's a little hole on the end of your horizontals that marries right up into the quad connector. I'm going to make another one here. There, and another one here. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your vertical leg, place it right on there. You see how it all connects together there beautifully. And we're going to go ahead and secure this guy that way. Put her in there. Bam, easy day. We're going to do the same thing on these other connectors and all the rest of the connectors throughout the rest of this video. So once we get our initial corner pieces here set up and the leg system, we've essentially built it upside down to start. It's the easiest way to do it. We're going to take it, we're going to flip her upside down. So I got my buddies here. Flip it over, walk it out. The next piece of this puzzle, we're going to go ahead and take and we're going to attach two panels to give this thing some rigidity. You're just going to pull this guy here, set it into place. Once you get it set into place, you're going to have another hand over there helping to get this guy married up. We're going to grab some zip ties, connect them here. Bam. Again, for this corner juncture, we're just going to zip them all together. Big hole. This is where you're going to feed it through. And you're going to wrap it around this vertical upright. So this next part, it's always good to have everybody has a role. So I'll be the framer. So all I'm going to do is continue making my frame here and getting everything connected in, while the rest of the team is going to help me set up the rest of the frame. And then you're going to have a panel crew and a zip tie crew. It makes it real quick. I always recommend building this thing one room at a time, and you'll see the finished product here real soon. All right, so now that we've got the entire system set up, the last part of this whole process is take your zip tie tightener, get on here, get it just that extra little bit, bam, tighten everything down, all the way around the building. Clean it up, make it look nice and pretty, and you're ready to rock. All right, and she's all set up. Enjoy your Mobile Modular Shoot House. If you have any questions, contact us at info@kontekindustries.com.